Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about ginger, and I have a list of foods broken up into different categories that are known to pair well with ginger. So if you want to include more ginger in your diet and you're not quite sure how to match it up with some foods and some meal ideas, hopefully this will help you out. In the proteins category that includes legumes, nuts, and seeds, we have almonds, beans as in green beans, beef, cashews, chicken, chickpeas, edamame, fish and other seafood, lentils, oysters, peanuts, peas, pork, poultry, salmon, sesame seeds, snow peas, sugar snap peas, tahini, tofu, tuna, and turkey. In the vegetables category, we have asparagus, bell peppers, bok choy, broccoli, broccolini, cabbage, carrots, cauliflower, celery, chili peppers, eggplant, fennel, garlic, greens. Now here I'm talking about the bitter greens such as Asian greens and collard greens and kale, leeks, mushrooms, okra, onions, parsnips, potatoes, pumpkin, rhubarb, scallions, spinach, sprouts such as bean sprouts, mung bean sprouts, winter squash, sweet potatoes, tomatoes, watercress, yams, and zucchini. In the fruit category, especially the sweet fruit we're talking about here, apples, apple cider, apricots, bananas, berries, blueberries, cherries, coconut, cranberries, dates, figs, fruit in general, grapefruit, grapes, kiwi, lemons, limes, lychees, mangoes, melons, oranges, papaya, passion fruit, peaches, pears, pineapple, plums, raisins, and tamarind. In the grains and grain products category, there's buckwheat, corn, noodles, oats and oatmeal, pasta, rice, seitan, wheat, and wheat berries. In the dairy and non-dairy products category, there's coconut milk, cream, ice cream, and yogurt. In the other foods category, there's agave nectar, chocolate that includes both white and dark, fish sauce, honey, maple syrup, miso, molasses, oil, rum, sake, sesame oil, soda water, soy sauce, sugar, and vinegar. I do hope this helps you out. Let me know if you have any questions or comments below. Take care. Bye for now.